How to send tax return by mail on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. The first step is to sign into your TurboTax account. Now to open your return, select continue or pick up where you left off. After all of this is completed, select file in the menu. You will see three steps here. Complete steps 1 and 2 if you haven't already. Then select start next to step 3. On the We've determined the easiest way to file your taxes screen, select change next to return you want to file by mail and select file by mail on the next screen. Be sure to save. If the file by mail option isn't available, you probably previously selected to pay your TurboTax fees through your tax refund. To file by mail, you will need to instead pay with a credit or debit card. Now, update the payment method for your TurboTax fees for all of the tax return you wish to file by mail. Now follow the instructions to print your return. If you haven't already paid any outstanding TurboTax fees, you will be prompted to do so before you can print. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.